Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, go to your Instagram profile, and as you can see, there's a professional dashboard, which means that your account is a professional account and we want to change that. So to do that, just go to the menu by clicking at the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and click Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Creator Tools and Controls, and within this menu, you'll find the Switch Account Type option and click that, and then click Switch to Personal Account. Just confirm, and then after a few seconds, your account will be successfully switched to a personal account. Now you may go back to your profile and you'll notice that the professional dashboard is no longer visible. And that's how you can delete your professional account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!